Welcome to this quick explainer video about creating a Google form. Google Forms are typically used to survey and collect information from customers, event participants, or the general public. The questions can be basic multiple choice, true or false, fill in the blank, or essay, and even more complex options that include multimedia embedded pictures, sounds, or videos, or the requirement for users to upload files, rating on a grid, and more. Educators can even use Google Forms for class quizzes by assigning and tracking points. Once respondents reply, results will appear in real time or can be exported to a spreadsheet afterwards for review. This first video will cover the basics of creating a simple survey with multiple choice answers, previewing the output, and then sharing the survey with others. Once we've shared, we'll check out the results. The next video will review the many options available for questions, and a final video will address the options available for your form, including making it a scored quiz. Let's get started. The first step is to create our form. This can be achieved from the Google Forms page or from Google Drive. The Google Forms page does contain quick access to some common pre-built templates like party invitations, RSVPs, event registrations, and t-shirt signups, but generally, most people will access their forms from Google Drive. Click on the big New button. You'll notice that Google Forms is not in the first menu, but if you move the mouse to hover over More, Google Forms is the first option you see. Our form is going to be a registration form for a race benefiting a local charity. To ensure our work saves properly, let's start by giving it a title. The race is called the Tommy's Place Run, so we'll save our form as Tommy's Place Run Registration. All changes to the form are now automatically saved in our Google Drive. Next, we'll name the form. This title is what the recipients of the form will see, so it can be different from the file name if desired. Our title seems pretty straightforward, so we'll just keep it the same. Next, let's add a description to help registrants know that they're at the right place. Now, time to start with some questions. This event will actually have races of 3 different distances, so we want the participants to register for the correct distance. The next question will require them to input some personal information. Press the plus button on the menu to generate a new question. We'll need to change the question type to a short answer. As you can see, there's a lot of options available, but for right now, we're going to keep it simple. In order to better organize our output, we're going to make separate questions for first name, last name, and email address. To duplicate the question, click the Duplicate button. The final question for this first preview is about shirt size. We're going to use a drop-down to have the user select their size between small, medium, large, and extra large. We will also go back and set each question to required. This ensures that recipients of the form must answer all of the questions before they submit it. With all of our questions completed for now, let's preview our output. Looks great.